Hello everyone. So today we're going to explore the fundamentals of APQP, that is nothing but Advanced Product Quality Planning. So APQP, it is one of the 6 quality code tools, and currently APQP it is running third edition. The manual of APQP was developed by AIAG, that is nothing but Automotive Industry Action Group, North America based. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand that what is the definition of APQP? What is APQP? So APQP, as the name implies, it is the advanced product quality planning. So for the product quality, what are the advanced planning that you are going to take so that you can meet the requirements of the customers? That is basically the fundamentals of APQP. Okay, so it is a structured method to ensure the product meets the customer requirements, and it is one of the 6 quality core tools that is used to plan quality from concept to production. Hello, this is Surajit Banerjee, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. Now, we need to understand that when APQP is required, APQP is required for the following cases. First is when there is new product development, we require APQP. If the design changes or the process changes, then we require APQP. If the for new customer requirements, customer has given initially some requirements, then if the customer requirements changes later, you require APQP. If the supplier changes, you require APQP. High risk or complex projects, you require APQP. So for the product development stages, we require basically APQP. APQP, it is the umbrella. Why it is umbrella? We are going to explain in the our subsequent slides. Now we need to understand that why APQP is required. Because it ensures customer satisfaction, it reduces defects and risk, it minimizes the cost of poor quality, it improves process efficiency and process reliability. For all these reasons, we require APQP. Now we need to understand that why APQP is the umbrella among core tools. There are 6 core tools, but APQP is the umbrella. Because APQP integrates all core tools like FMEA, MSA, SPC, PPAP, and control plan into one framework. It ensures the right tool at the right stage for effective quality planning. See, APQP is the umbrella. FMEA basically identifies the potential risk involved. Okay, and control plan manages them. MSA ensures whether your measurement system is reliable or not. Statistical process control validates whether the process is in control or not. And PPAP validates the readiness, whether you can start the mass production or not. And that's how all these quality core tools are integrated. But APQP is the umbrella because it integrates all the core tools. Now, we're going to explore the 5 different phases involved in APQP. So first phase is plan and define the program. First of all, you need to identify the customer needs. And where you will get the customer needs, you will get it from the voice of customer, VOC. Now define the scope, set the objectives, and create the project plan. Okay, that is the first phase, plan and define the program. Now, phase number 2 is basically product design and development. So develop product design. You need to perform here design FMEA to find out whether there is any flaws in the design stage or not, so that you can ensure robust design, safe design, and there should not be any defects. There should not be at the problem at the latter stage. So verify the design through testing. Focus on design reliability. This is the phase number 2. Now we are moving into phase number 3, that is basically process, design, and development. Now design the manufacturing process, create a process flow diagram, implement the process FMEA, PFMEA, and control plan. Focus on process capability. You need to perform process FMEA to check whether the process is capable enough for meeting the requirements of the customer or not. For that, you require PFMEA. So perform the process FMEA. That is the phase number 3. Now we are moving into phase number 4, that is product and process validation. Now you need to validate the product through trial runs, MSA. Measurement system analysis, you need to perform MSA so that you get to know whether your measurement system is reliable or not. Statistical process control, it will indicate whether the process is in control or not. And PPAP submission, there are a number of stages involved in PPAP. So after PPAP, we'll get to know whether the supplier is capable of meeting the requirements of the customer or not, so that you can start the mass production or not. So that can be find out from there. So ensure process meets the customer requirements. The target is to process should meet the customer requirements. So you need to validate through MSA, SPC, and PPAP. Now we are moving into the last stage, that is the phase number 5, that is the feedback, assessment, and improvement. So monitor performance, collect feedback, and implement continuous improvement through Kaizen for long-term success. You need to get the feedback from the customers, need to implement continuously, and need to improve your process and product so that you can meet the customer requirements every time, and it should ensure a long-term success. So now the common mistakes to avoid in APQP. Number one is ignoring the customer requirements. Ignoring the customer requirements, poor planning and unclear scope. Okay, and weak communication among cross-functional team members, incomplete FME and control plan. All these things leads to the failures of the APQP. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video. Comments below your thoughts on APQP. Whatever you learned today, share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. You can also join our exclusive WhatsApp community to get free updates, all these tools and techniques, everything you can get for free from our community itself. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being part of this journey with the Lean Six Sigma world. So thank you so much. Thank you.